Hi everyone. Let me introduce myself, guys. I am Jennifer Cabusas, but you can call me Jean. I am 16 years old. I am a bit shy when I'm around people I don't know, but when I'm with my family and friends, I am cheerful and energetic. I am the type of person who, if someone doesn't like me, I don't like them either. When I am mad, I don't want to talk to anyone. I prefer to stay quiet. I don't like cats, guys, but I like dogs. And also, guys, my favorite color is purple. That's all. Thank you.